Every day, oil and gas operations become more complex, with more complicated plays, tighter budgets, and accelerated schedules. It's why every move an operator makes and every decision must be a calculated one, especially when it comes to steering the bit to specific targets. That's just what we've achieved with AutoSlide technology from H&P. Manually controlling the orientation of the bit while sliding is a unique and valuable skill held by a limited number of exceptional drillers. Quality and approach to this execution requires simultaneous calculations and adjustments, which increases the chance for human error. With AutoSlide, that difficult manual control becomes completely automated, helping to reduce risk and variability by making multiple corrections in real time. In combination with the H&P bit guidance system automating the decision-making part of the process, the AutoSlide technology's true single-button execution makes consistent performance possible, adjusting multiple parameters simultaneously. With the touch of a button, this innovative technology controls the rig and mud motors to make hundreds of adjustments in real time through automated proactive controls and the continual compensation for environmental factors, making higher precision decisions, leveraging all available data dynamically to accomplish more repeatable results than even the most experienced human operators, which can lead to cost reduction, maximized production, and increased efficiency. Operations may continue to grow more complex, but the solutions you turn to shouldn't. Achieve more intelligent directional drilling with AutoSlide technology from H&P.